my YouTube channel. Now, on Saturday, I created a butterfly eye look, and so many of you guys were so supportive and you want to see a tutorial of how I did it. So, if you ask, then you shall receive, and that's what today's video is going to be about. So if you want to see how I created a stunning butterfly eyeshadow look, then keep on watching. Guys, I literally got up for like a second and spilled water all over my shirt, like, what is today? But I'm just going to show you guys the products that I'm going to be using for this eyeshadow look. I showed you guys in my last video where to get it, so if you haven't seen it, definitely check it out. But we're going to be using the Jawbreaker palette, and my color story for my eyeshadow look today is going to be blues and purples. So we are going to be using shade Brain Freeze, shade Gumdrop, and then shade Bite Me. So we're going to be using this blue, light purple, and dark sparkly purple. So let's get started. So first we're going to take shade Brain Freeze, which is this light blue color, and then we are going to pack it right here in our inner corner. I already did it so you guys can see it, but we're just going to go and we're going to stamp it right here, just like that. And you can make it as pigmented as you want, and we're just going to go and keep stamping it. Next, we're going to dip into shade Gumdrop, which is this light purple shade, and we're going to go right next to it. So we're going to just go and pack on that color right here. Okay, we have packed on that color. We have our light purple here and our blue here. And next, we're going to take our dark purple, which is shade Bite Me, and we're going to put it in the outer corner. So let's take a little bit, dust off your brush so there's no fallout, and then we're gonna dab it here and make it as pigmented as possible. While we are working with shade Bite Me, this dark purple, make sure that you fan it out, because that's how the wing is going to be. So we're going to we're going to trace it with eyeliner just like that in a few seconds. So just make sure you're fanning out this purple into like a V formation. So after we packed on all of our colors, it's just super simple like that. We're going to dust away any parts that's above our crease because our eyeshadow is about to go there. So we have our blue, light purple, and then dark purple, but you can use any shades that you want. It doesn't have to be purples or blues. It can be like I did, yellow, orange, red, or whatever. So we're gonna go and we're gonna sweep off the excess eyeshadow. And then once we've done that, we're gonna jump into the part that really matters, which is the eyeliner part. We are gonna use a black eyeliner. I'm currently using e.l.f. in shade Jet Black, and what we're going to do is we're going to trace our eyeshadow. So we're going to put a line here that goes out, and then we're going to put another line on top of our crease that will connect. Now I'm going to show you guys so you have a better understanding, so just watch what I do and then follow it, and so you'll see like what I'm trying to do. So we have our first black line right here near the lashes. And then we're going to just fan it out. What you're basically going to do is just basically do a winged eyeliner look like you normally do. So you see how it's winged out? Just do that. And then we're going to draw another line that connects the line from the crease to our winged eyeliner right here. So this is what it's supposed to look like when we are done. First, start off with a skinny line at the top, and then we're going to make it thicker because we're going to be adding some white dots in the middle to add some detail to the butterfly. So I'll come right back and show you what that looks like. So now we have our thick top crease eye line. So you want to make it super thick. I have like my original line right here. So I just added another line up here. Like if you want to make it thicker, go up and don't go down. So like Make it as thick as possible because we're going to be adding little white dots. So next we're going to be making our bottom lash liner thicker because we're going to be adding white dots to that too. So what you want to do is just take your eyeliner and just go like here. Just go halfway. And don't make it too thick. I'm going to show you guys on camera. So let's dip into our black eyeliner. And we're going to go and make a line from here to here and make it a little bit thicker. So now we have our thick bottom eyeliner line and our thick top line. And right now we're going to be getting into adding that white liner. So now we're going to go in with our white eyeliner, and what we're going to do is we're just going to make tiny dots on the black part of our eyeliner, just like this corner part. We're not going to go up here. We're just going to do it halfway on the top and all of it at the bottom. So I'm going to do it off camera and then go in closer and show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it should look like when you're done. You don't have to do it in any specific way. All you have to do is just put your white dots randomly. You can do some smaller, some bigger at the tip, but just is going to look like the outside part of that butterfly wing. So this part that I'm going to do now, we're going to actually go back with our black eyeliner and we're going to make a black line in our crease. So if you want to know what your crease is, just open your eye like that, and like wherever that line is, we're going to make a line connecting the inside corner of your eyelid to halfway in between our outside. So we're just going to make a line going from here in the middle all the way here. So this is that black line all complete. We did it from the inner corner of our eyes all the way to the tip. And also, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, this is a hard look to do, especially when you're trying to do straight lines with eyeliner. So if you mess up, please don't worry. It's okay. It's going to look fine. And if like your line is a little bit thicker than you want it to, don't be afraid to just take like a little skinny eyeshadow brush like this and just like wipe over it and then like do another line. Like you can just like pack in some color over like where you messed up in your black line and then redo the black line. Like it's okay. It does not have to be perfect. So don't get discouraged if your line is not straight because it just happens, okay? Okay guys, we are so close to finishing this eye look. What I did off camera was I added shade Brain Freeze and Gumdrop to the bottom of my lash line, and then I added these two lines that connect from the middle black line to the top black line, so it looks like a butterfly wing. So it looks just like that when you're done. And now we're gonna move into adding the bottom detail. So what we're gonna do with the bottom of our eyes, we're just gonna add 4 little upside down U's, like 4 little upside down humps, and we're gonna start from like halfway in our eye to right here. So right here to here. So I'm gonna do that real quick. So we have our 4 little U's. I know you guys can't see it too much, but you'll see it at the end. And what we're gonna do is just like go under 2 U's and make like a Y. Okay, so I'll show you what I'm talking about. We're just going to go down and make it into like a V and have it curl. So just like that, and then we're gonna fill it in with black liner. So now it kind of looks like the end part of the butterfly. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do the small V right here and fill it in with black liner, and then we're gonna do a bigger V next to it. Next, we're going to add more white dots to the black part of this under eye look. So, you can do that real quickly. Okay, guys, this is this butterfly look all complete, and I love it! Oh my gosh! Like I said, guys, you can use any colors. It doesn't have to be blues and purples. You can do how I did it before and use yellow, orange, and red, or whatever color story you want. What really matters is the eyeliner. So this was so fun to create, and I hope that you guys had a good time creating it too. So I'm not going to do the other eye because if I did, we'd be here for another hour because this eyeshadow look kind of takes a little bit of time. But I am going to add lipstick and some highlighter so you guys can see what the finished look will look like. So I'll be right back with my finished face. Alright guys, this is this eye look all complete. I added some mascara, highlighter, and lip gloss, and that is my face all complete. And if you also do this eyeshadow look, please send it to my Instagram at Makeup by Asha Cat. The link is in the bio. I would love to see it and chat with you guys, so feel free to do that. Alright my kittens, that is it for today. If you wanted to see my last video, click here. And if you want to subscribe, click here. And thank you so much for the support. Don't forget to like and leave a comment, and also spam me everywhere. I would love to see your eyeshadow looks. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!